Welcome back, Syracuse Math Kitties. In today's video, I am specifically speaking to a group of students in Ms. Perino's and my class that have not completed any work so far. This video will walk you through exactly what you need to do to get caught up on your math work. I want you to, at this point, I want you to pause this video and log into Clever. If you have difficulty logging into Clever, please reach out to Ms. Perino or to myself, and we can provide you with a backup code so that you can log in. So go ahead and pause the video and log in. Okay, now that you are in Clever, I want you to scroll down and find your Canvas app. I want you to click on the little heart so that your Canvas app is going to be bookmarked and it's going to show up at the top of the page. This way, next time that you log into Canvas, into Clever, you're not going to have to scroll down. It's going to just pop up right here. So go right ahead and click on Canvas. This is your main dashboard for Canvas. I'm going to create a separate video on this cool feature right here. It's basically like a to-do list. You can create an assignment summary or to-do list for all of your classes on here. And as you work through your assignments, you can check them off. And this way, it's a very nice, organized way to track your work. But for now, I'm not going to get into much detail on that. I'm going to do a separate video. And now I want to go into courses. And I want you to click on Math Perino. This is Ms. Perino's in my class. Click on it. On this page, you're going to see a few different things. You have some options on the left-hand side. And you have assignments right in the middle. On top right here, you have the Syracuse STEM Module 3, 8th grade. This is electronic copy of Module 3 that was delivered to your home address. This packet, it's a pretty large packet, but it contains work for all of your classes, not just for math. So go ahead and find that packet. You can also click on it right here to see how it looks like. So this is how that packet looks like. Again, it's for all of your classes. Ms. Perino and Ms. G's section starts on page 12. So whether you have a hard copy of it, you can go ahead and flip to page 12. Or if you do not have a hard copy of this packet, you can just flip through here. Now, for sake of math, you will actually see that you don't really need a hard copy to complete the assignment for math. I'm not sure what the case is with your other subjects, but at any rate, if you do not have the packet, again, please let me know or Ms. Perino, and we can see that you get a copy of this packet. So go ahead, flip to page 12. So starting on page 12, right here it says Ms. Perino Math Class. You're going to see a series of questions, and I'm going to explain to you what you need to do with those questions. The main thing I want you to know and to pay attention to here is that completing these questions is worth 100 points. And let me tell you, this is going to be very easy 100 points for you. The reason being is that answering these questions right here, and when you read the questions, you will see what I mean. It's not really asking you any math questions. What these questions here are for is basically feedback from Ms. Perino and myself so that we know how you're progressing through your math work, what you're doing well with, and what you might need help with, what you're struggling with. And it helps us to know that you're staying on track. Now, excuse me, If we were in the regular classroom, Ms. Perino and myself, we would be able to see your face and, have you participate in class or see whether or not you're understanding things. But since we're doing things online, this packet or answering these questions is basically kind of in place of the real classroom, in place of communication that we do in a real classroom. So it's a relatively easy 100 points. When you scroll through, you will see that there's 5 main sections. There is a section on exponents packet. So this is section 1. It says right here, Spectrum Activities Packet. The second section is Dreambox, and then Prodigy, Canvas, and YouTube. Each of these 5 sections have 3 different questions each. So to summarize that, Module 3 for math has 5 sections: Exponents Packet, Dreambox, Prodigy, Canvas, and YouTube. And actually the Exponents Packet, it's called the Spectrum Packet, okay? So, but for sake of getting things done, considering that we haven't received any of your work today, for today, all I want you to focus on is the Exponents Packet and the Canvas work, okay, the Canvas assignments. All right, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what that means. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to your Spectrum Packet. This is your Spectrum Packet. There's 10 pages in Spectrum Math Packet. For today, I only want you to do 2 pages. When you do the 2 pages in the Spectrum Math Packet, it's this one right here, I want you to take a picture and then text message or email Ms. Perino or myself to show us the work that you have done. Now that you have completed 2 pages in the Spectrum Math Packet, now I want you to go back to the Assignments tab in Canvas, click on it, and for today, you're going to be watching the first 3 Khan Academy videos. Here's video number 1, 2, and 3. You're going to go in order. You're going to click on video number 1, and you're going to write notes on video number 1, and I'm going to show you how you're going to email that to us. When you do that, you get 10 points. After watching Khan Academy video number 1, then you're going to do discussion number 1. All right, discussion number 1 is related to Khan Academy video number 1. So you shouldn't be watching all the videos first and then doing discussion second, because you might forget what you saw in the video. So that is the order that you're going to be doing it in. So Khan Academy video number 1, you're going to go ahead and click on it. You're going to watch the short video. It's only 2.5 minutes long. You're going to write notes, anything that you observe in the video, even if it's like a question or something that's interesting to you or something new that you learned. You're going to write it on a sheet of paper, take a picture, and then text message it or email it to Ms. Perino or to myself. Our contact information is found on the announcements page in Canvas. You can also directly email it to us by going right here, Inbox, and you're going to click on Compose a New Message up here. You're going to select a course. You're going to click Perino. You're going to type our names. Okay, so there's Ms. G, that's myself, and then Ms. Perino. You're gonna, in subject line, you're gonna put in which video you're watching. So that was Khan Academy video 1, Khan Academy video number 1, and here you're gonna write your notes. It doesn't have to be a whole story. It doesn't have to be a paragraph. Just few sentences, and then you're going to send it to us. So there you go. That's 2 options for getting points or credit for watching the Khan Academy videos. Okay, after you watch video number 1 and you submit your notes through email or text message, you get your 10 points. Then you're gonna go and do your discussion number 1. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna read these 2 questions and you're gonna hit reply right here. You're gonna write Q1 and then you're gonna write your answer for Q1. Then you're gonna hit Q2 and you're gonna write your answer for Q2. All right, both of these questions are referring to Khan Academy video number 1. When you have answered it, you're gonna hit post reply. When you do that, you get your 20 points for discussion 1. Then you're gonna go back to assignments, and now you have completed Khan Academy video 1, you have completed discussion number 1, and then you're gonna do Khan Academy video 2 and discussion 2, and repeat the process again with Khan Academy video 3 and discussion 3. I want to show you something real quick. I'm here in SyracuseMathKitty. These are all the different videos that I have already created for, to help you to do your work. So as you can see, for example, this video right here is helping you do a page from that exponents packet. For today, I told you you only need to do 2 pages. So if you pick 2 of these videos, that will definitely help you complete 2 pages of your exponents packet. Complete it, take a picture, and send it to me or Ms. Perino in text message or email. So that's just a quick note that you already have plenty of videos that can help you. If there's something particular that you're struggling with, then you can email me, text me, or call me and tell me what you're struggling with, and I will make you a new video just for you so you can complete your work. I can also help you do work on Canvas. I can make a video on that. All right, so that's what's going to assist you in completing today's work. So to summarize for you, the work that you're doing today is right here. This is today's work. I'm going to do a similar video on Thursday. And on Thursday, you're going to do 2 more pages of your Spectrum Math packet. And you're going to do the next 3 Khan Academy videos and discussions. So on Thursday, we're going to do video 4, 5, and 6 and discussions 4, 5, and 6. So by the end of this week, you're going to have a good chunk of your work done and you're going to be caught up with your math work.